Welcome to episode 2 of the build up. We're actually going to start tearing it down right now for a couple reasons. One, you have to. Two, I really need to know what to buy. I did end up buying a project or a parts car, which is in pretty good shape, but I really want to see what else it's going to need in order to buy all the parts and kind of do this, one, cost effectively, and two, quickly. Usually those don't go hand in hand. I'm gonna, hopefully, I have all my audio and video settings figured out. This is a learning progress for me. There's gonna be a huge learning curve. Also with this, I have no idea really what I'm doing. I've done a couple. I've been a car enthusiast for, I don't know, 20 years, 15 years. So I know how to work on them. Not necessarily like this though. So hopefully you like, comment, subscribe, and kind of follow the progress. Should be fun. I don't really expect anyone to watch. This is just kind of for funsies. And I'm doing it anyways just to generate some extra income and because I'm kind of bored. So yeah, let's hop into it. So I'm gonna walk you around the car one last time before we really start tearing it down. This is how she looks. Real nice, real pretty. I did actually end up ordering a key from BMW. See if it can focus there. $353, which is great because now I have a key. But second issue, I was trying to figure out. Whoever, this is half of this guy's crap, they just cut the power cords. So, there's really, that was the reason why I couldn't jump it and get any power to get into the trunk. I was really hoping there was a key in there. There wasn't, just a bunch of trash and garbage. So, that was a letdown, but I ended up buying one anyways. So, it's good. But yeah, we'll do one last final little walk around while I figure out how to hold the camera. But so I for sure know AC system, radiator, obviously radiator support. And then I'm also gonna need a cowl, unless I can somehow repair this. Probably not likely, but, so look how dirty that freaking cabin filter is. Replace your cabin filters, people. This is a radiator what are they called? You know, overflow system. Don't know what the heck this is, but we gotta get one. And then obviously we're gonna need this whole structural system. Part of the reason why I bought the parts car. Actually, really the only reason I bought the parts car, I was hoping to sell it, was for this. Bought the parts car, $500 at Copart. Usually the O2s, O3s, they don't have that circle one, but this one's an M Sport, has M Sport wheels, and also has a bunch of Dynon parts. I'll show you that in the next video or later in this video, depending on how far we get. But, sorry, I am so ADHD. Also need a different lens on this baby. But, that's the car. Worst thing with the BMWs, in my opinion, I've never worked on a Porsche, so not quite sure what they do, but the heckin' torques. These are the worst things. I don't know why anyone uses them, but what do I know? I'm just a backyard mechanic, essentially. Get a 10 mil there. I don't know, like maybe they just look prettier. Who knows? Not me. You know, I really need to just clean that workspace. Well, we'll come back to that one. Keep all your bolts safe. Ooh, how dandy. Another wire. This wire was plugged into the fuse box. Have no idea what it goes to. It's gonna be a good time. There we go.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
You know, maybe once I get better to 13. I was wrong. Get better at filming, we'll be able to get cooler angles. And I can spend a little bit of a budget on a camera and not feel terrible about it.
We haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Now, I don't think there's any Freon in here left, but we're gonna check. I'm not about to let that loose in this garage. Nope. I was correct. So there's a first time for everything. That's the one. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So I'm working on the AC system right now. If you couldn't tell. There we go. There's one. Now for the radiator. Oh, Mishimo, that's what these lines are. The fan. See? The more you know. We'll save that, because it looks good. They're all headlights. If you don't own some of these little pick clips from Harbor Freight, boy, do they make your life so much easier. Like, look at that. Woo! While we're disconnecting stuff, might as well do this one too. And that one is Toast My Ghost. Ooh, the garbage man is gonna love me this week. I just broke that. I'm opting to take the one radiator hose that's left connected off from the top, and I'll just pull the hose with it. Probably want to get a new set anyways, so you know, if things don't want to come out, just get a bigger hammer. But, I mean, look at that. CSF, right? Yeah, CSF radiator. It's a good one. How it's not as bad as it looked. Like, obviously, all of this is going to have to get replaced. This will probably have to get replaced. Cut it off, weld the new piece in. But, and then this little guy, that'll get replaced. We'll cut everything out, re-weld in the new structural panels. But, really, I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Harmonic balancer is going to need a little bit of work, either swapping it out or something. But AC pump, condenser, what are those called? I think condenser is the front piece, but
yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Well, I forgot to turn the audio on, so that's just going to be a little bit more sped up, but now we can actually kind of take everything off. Wheel spacer. Brakes are in good condition. Ooh, that angle mount is not. Awesome. Shout out to Harbor Freight for making okay quality stuff. I broke 2 of these getting it off the trailer. So I need to go return them. But they're cheap. Close enough. It's supposed to be a 12, but I'm using a 1/2 inch because I'm too lazy to walk over and get a 12. Oops. Look at those nice little BC coilovers. They're a bit rusted, so they've probably been on there for a couple seasons. But you can see why the tire wasn't sitting straight. That's bent and obviously broke. There's supposed to be this little guy hanging out of it, that little ball joint. But we got some, so not a big deal. Picked them up for 50 bucks for both sides. Also got some fenders. I got both of them for less than I could have bought a new one for. The new ones go for $900 each side. So that's nice. It's good. So I picked up 2 fenders for 300 bucks total. And then lower control arms for 50 bucks for both sides. So it's a win in my book. But I'm probably going to take this off, and then I'm going to call it quits for the day, because it's like 7:30ish right now, and we just have other stuff we need to get done tonight. So the next episode, we're either going to take this off or take the wrap off and kind of see what condition the paint is in. I don't know. Comment down, what do you think I should do next week for the video? If I don't get any comments, I'm going to pick one and we're going to go from there. Cool. Have a great week, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. Really, I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's going to be a fun time. Hope you guys are enjoying it too. I'll figure out better ways of filming eventually, but this is kind of what we are working with right now. So, yeah, thank you guys.